Sebastian Vettel's Singapore Grand Prix engine is available to use again after the Ferrari Formula One team found it escaped damage in the first lap crash, Autosport has learned. Vettel's contact with Max Verstappen and Kimi Räikkönen off the line in Singapore caused side pod and cooler damage, with the car spinning on its own fluids on the next straight, hitting the wall and retiring. Having examined the unit at Maranello, Ferrari feels the engine, the third of Vettel's allocation, can remain in the pool to be used again, if required in the remaining 6 races. The news is significant as it reduces the chances of Vettel having to take a grid penalty later in the season for engine component changes. Vettel and Räikkönen have, so far, used 3 internal combustion engines, MGUHs, MGUKs, energy stores and control electronics, and 4 turbochargers. A further change of the turbocharger would spark a 10-place grid penalty as it would exceed their respective allocations. It is believed Ferrari is hoping to introduce its next specification of engine at the upcoming Malaysian GP, meaning Vettel and Räikkönen will move on to the 4th and final unit of their allocation. With a new oil burn limit of 0.9 liters per 100 kilometers coming into force from the Italian GP onwards, Ferrari will need to run at the lower limit when it introduces its new unit. As Mercedes introduced its new engine in Belgium, 1 race before Italy, it is allowed to keep burning 1.2 liters of oil per 100 kilometers, should it wish to do so. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, email.